Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you a beautiful, nice, lovely hairstyle. Very simple to do. So this is a mannequin head with long hair. So we're gonna part that in 3 pieces. One, let me turn her a little bit so you can see better. This is one part. This is second part and third part. So we have 3 parts, yeah? So what we're gonna do, take this part in my hand, as you see, and then put my hand here and just go do normal braid. So with 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3, look. So now going down. So I think you know how to do this. It's very simple, very easy, lovely hairstyle to do. See? Beautiful hairstyle. See? So you finish that. It's very easy, very simple. Yeah? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put our hand here and turn that like that. So I think, let me turn it like this, you can see it better. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put our hand here and turn it like this. See? Here. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put some clips. Push that and go down. Push that and go down. So, and this going down here. This is a very lovely, easy hairstyle. And then turn this here. Very simple. Very lovely, nice hairstyle. Okay, and this is the result now, as you see. So to make it nice and beautiful, I'm gonna put some lovely, nice here. So beautiful, nice hairstyle and very easy to wear. I really like it and it's very fast done. So just simple, lovely hairstyle for ladies. Let me turn it so you can see it. Beautiful, easy, nice hairstyles for wedding or for party. So guys, wish you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.